some self-myofascial release, sometimes commonly known as foam rolling. So it's a good way to help change the sensation that we're feeling throughout our different muscle groups. So we will start with the hamstrings in this video. So Charity has a foam roller. She's going to have it started kind of just by her knees, the backs of her knees. And she's lifting herself up with her hands. And she'll slowly work her way up and down the hamstring muscle. And as she's going, if she finds any tender spots, she's going to pause on those for about 7 to 10 seconds. It's not the most comfortable, but as you work through one of those tender spots, it usually kind of melts away, fades away after that 7 to 10 seconds. And then she'll move on and find the next spot. Thing that people miss on this a little bit is by turning our toes in and out, we change the angle that we're getting. So our hamstrings aren't just flat on the back of our legs, they wrap around. So by turning our toes in and out, we can get the whole portion of the muscle. So Charity's doing a great job with that. And we probably don't want to spend more than 2 or 3 minutes foam rolling any single muscle group, so we can abuse that a little bit. So nothing more than 2 or 3 minutes for the foam rolling.